I'm Kelsey Funtime, and today I have my sister Kella here, and
hi.
She is going to be helping me with my sugar Easter egg project. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is a hollow Easter egg, and guess what?
There's a surprise inside.
The surprise is that there's a little bunny rabbit hiding its Easter eggs. To make this egg, all we used was sugar, water, and dye. So we used orange dye just because, yeah. And so we pressed it into this mold, and we left a window so you could peek inside. Let's begin with decorating the backside of the egg.
We are going to use some small jelly beans, small candies, and a little blue bunny rabbit.
We are going to be using royal icing to decorate the egg. Blue is perfect for the sky. I like to use the back of my spoon to apply the icing, but I'm going to be using my finger just for right now, just to get that smooth texture.
To make the clouds, I'm going to be using some white royal icing. I'm going to use my fingers to get it on the sky, and then use the toothpick to swirl it around.
This is royal icing we colored green. Here goes the bunny rabbit. Hey Kella, why don't you add grass? Why don't you add jelly beans to my grass?
Okay.
The leaves are made with green royal icing and leaf tips.
The inside of our egg is done.
It looks really good. Time to glue the two halves together. I'm going to be using royal icing. Smooth the edges with your finger. To cover up the scene, we are going to be using royal icing and decorations. Oh my gosh. Pink ones are really pretty. Now we just have to wait for the royal icing to dry. This is the egg complete.
It's really beautiful.
I'll see you next time on Kelsey Funtime.